Hey there, carnivore fans! If you're looking for super easy, no-cook meals that are not only delicious but also fully carnivore compliant, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you 5 no-cook, heat-and-serve carnivore recipes using zero-carb pre-cooked meats like Keystone's all-natural canned beef, pork, and chicken, as well as Wild Planet's wild-caught canned salmon and tuna. We're keeping it simple with carnivore-friendly ingredients like butter, bone broth, hard-boiled eggs, bacon bits, pork rinds, and cheeses. No fruits, no veggies, just pure carnivore goodness. Let's get started. First up is our rich and savory beef and butter mash. Start with 16 ounces of Keystone's all-natural canned beef and heat it up in the microwave or on the stovetop. Once warmed, mix in a few tablespoons of butter until it's nice and creamy. You can season with a dash of red boat fish sauce to enhance the umami flavors and top with bacon bits to add some crunch. This is a filling, high-fat meal that will keep you going, and it couldn't be simpler to make. For our second recipe, we have the pork and cottage cheese bowl. Heat up 16 ounces of Keystone's canned pork, drain it, and then stir in a 1/4 cup of cottage cheese. The cottage cheese gives the pork a creamy texture, and it adds a nice balance of protein and fat. To add some crunch, crumble in some pork rinds, or sprinkle on a few zero-carb bacon bits. Next up is a quick and hearty creamy chicken and egg salad. Transfer 16 ounces of Keystone's canned chicken to a bowl and heat it up. While it's warming, dice a few pre-cooked hard-boiled eggs. Mix everything together with a spoonful of sour cream for that creamy texture. You can also add a sprinkle of bacon bits or even a dash of red boat fish sauce for extra flavor. Our fourth recipe is a warm and comforting salmon and bone broth soup. Drain 2 6-ounce cans of Wild Planet's pink salmon and place it in a bowl. Heat up some bone broth and pour it over the salmon. You can add a bit of butter or even some cheese to make this soup extra rich and satisfying. It's light but packed with protein and healthy fats. Finally, we have the tuna and cheese crunch bowl. Open and drain 2 10-ounce cans of Wild Planet's wild-caught tuna and heat it up. Once warm, add in your favorite shredded cheese, letting it melt over the tuna. To finish it off, add a handful of pork rinds for some crunchy texture and extra fat. This is a quick, savory meal that's perfect when you need something filling in no time. And there you have it. 5 delicious, no-cook, heat-and-serve carnivore meals that are as easy as they are tasty. Let me know which recipe you'll try first in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more carnivore-friendly ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.